Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide using Morph transition in just 2 minutes. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below and it's completely free to use for your own purposes. So let's begin. First of all, open up a blank slide and remove all the content from it and insert a rectangle just in the bottom. Duplicate it and then place it about 4 times. Group them and then decrease their size and then ungroup them. Next, we're going to give them a shades color palette color. So the purple color palette I'm using. Now let's insert a triangle, rotate it like this and put it right here. Change its fill to the first, same fill as the first one, duplicate it and then give it the same fill as the second and then duplicate it again and put them right here like this. Next, what we're going to do is insert a rectangle right on top and change its fill. Next, we're going to insert a text box right next to it in which we're going to write our title that describes what this tablet is about. Now let's change this font and go to more fill colors and give it a dark font. Next, go to icons and from here you're going to choose 4 icons for each of the individual rectangle. So we're going to change its fill to white and then put each one of them in each of the rectangle onto the extreme left side. Next, what we're going to do is insert our content text and change its fill to white. And next, we're going to remove any other text that we don't want to use. And we're going to put it right onto the right side of each of our rectangle and insert a counting number for each of the rectangle. So as this rectangle is on one, and we're going to duplicate the same text box and use it in other. Now select each of your contents of each of the rectangle and then group it. By the way, let me tell you this again that you can download this free template from the link in the description below and it's completely free to use. So after grouping, what you have to do is send each one of them to the back. Now duplicate your slide, go to the first slide and while holding shift, we're going to put each one of them together like this. Now give them this shadow, which is the second one. Select both the templates, go to Morph Transition and click on Morph Transition. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can download this free template from the link in the description below.